Hi everyone, my name is Ariel if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. Today we are going to be creating this goodness. This is officially my first makeup tutorial for the fall. I am so excited even though it's 90 degrees outside. Don't worry honey, it's gonna be 70 real soon. I recently went to the drugstore and I picked up a couple new things. It was like a little mini drugstore look around. So I tried out a couple of products I had never tried before, an eyeshadow palette, a new lip color, and yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. So if you want to learn how to create this look, then just keep on watching and I'd love to show you how. I have a complete bare face except my brows, but you guys know how that goes. Right now they're getting a little bit tricky, but it's okay. I'm going to take some concealer. This is just the NYX HD Concealer, and apply that on my lid. I am running out. You guys, I know you're probably sick and tired of me saying this, but I have to declutter my makeup so bad. And I think that I've just been holding off because I haven't gotten organizers that I'm gonna use for my drawers. It's such a mess, and it's so hard for me to like get inspired or try to find something. And I have so much makeup like that's super old from the start of my channel, and I thought that it would be fun if I filmed it. So let me know if you guys wanna see that. I'm going to highlight with this pencil from Wet n Wild. Translucent powder and set my lids because I'm a sweater. Well, I'm super excited because on my eyes I'm going to try out something new. I'm going to try out the City Mini palette in High Rise Sunset. It is a full matte palette. I love the packaging of it. I love that the pictures are like really bokeh, or however you say it. How do you say it? Bokeh? Bokeh? Check out this color story! Oh my god! And to keep it 100% with you guys, I have no idea what look I'm going to do today. I think I just need to pick up my brush and go to town. I'm so old. I'm going to go into this shade right here and put it everywhere, like all up in my crease, like everywhere. And this brush is from BH Cosmetics. They're metal ones. Now with this fluffy blending brush, I'm going to pick up this beautiful terracotta orangey shade. I live for terracotta shades, for orangey shades, and this looks so beautiful. And I'm just gonna use, oh, this is so pretty. I'm just using windshield wiper motions and applying it in my outer V. And now with a flat shader brush, I'm just going to apply some of this yummy mustard color and hope for the best, just because all of the yellow mustardy colors that I've tried out, including Maybelline, like the Lemonade Craze palette that I've been talking about, even that yellow isn't that great, so let's see. But so far, look at this orange. I really love this color. Little bit of fallout. Much better. Do you guys have any plans for the fall yet? Is there like a tradition that you always do? Do you always go to a certain, like, do you go apple picking? Do you go pumpkin picking? Do you go to like the really large fields? When I lived in Northern Virginia, I loved, wow, that came for Virginia. I used to love going to the fall festivals in Virginia because they were just so big. This yellow I'm actually impressed with. I keep looking at this like if it's a mirror. It's not a mirror. And then I'm going to dip into this chocolatey brown and dust it off and focus it at the tail end of that bone here, this orbital bone. And I'm really just focusing this in my crease. I'm pretty sure I just tapped that excess powder in my drink. I'm gonna go back into that beautiful orangey terracotta shade and just buff it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna use a baby wipe. You can use an actual makeup wipe. But if you're a mom, then you know all of a sudden these things become handy for everything. I'm gonna take a little break from my eyes. We're gonna move on to the face, and I won't take long, I promise. I'll try not to talk as much, okay? So the first thing that we're gonna do is use the Pores No More Pore Refiner Primer. Yes, it has makeup like all over it, and that should just give you an idea of what my makeup drawers look like. I heard a couple people talk about this, and then when I saw it, I was like, oh my god, there's some color in there. What is going on? But it feels really good. And my redness is like really bad right now, so I don't think it's like translating as bad on camera, but so this primer is tingling a little bit. Moving on. This is Wet n Wild MegaCushion Foundation. I have been loving it, especially for days like today. 90-degree days. What? And all I do is tap my sponge into the sponge, the cushion, and then it feels like nothing. And it sets so nice. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay. I'm gonna drag it down the neck. And this is the shade Buff Beige. For concealer, I'm going to use this NYX HD Concealer in, I think it's beige. 04 beige. I am pretty much out. Pat it in around the nose like usual because it's always super red. And now it's going to be deposited into the bag of empties that's awaiting for you. This always bothers me when I watch videos, and I know I do it all the time. Like when my concealer or my foundation is around my lips, I know I can't. I'm going to set my foundation with this NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat powder, and I am in the shade Medium Beige. I'm just gonna tap it in. Just tap, 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 tap. This is like one of my favorite brushes. It's the cutest, one of the largest. I just love the shape, the density, everything. For blush, don't judge me with this, okay? Don't judge me. I'm gonna use these two shades. I feel like they're even maybe some of this too. And a little bit of this. For contour, I'm bringing it back. I know I took a break from it because I was using it too much, but it's the Dulce de Leche contouring palette. My favorite. Just above the hollows of the cheek. And bring it back to the hairline. You want to get all up in there like swimwear. And then I have to especially do this when I do braids because my hairline is crazy. I got a widow's peak. To highlight my face, I'm using the Too Faced Candlelight Glow highlighter in Rosy Glow. So when I initially bought this, I didn't know that they had like it's more of a warmer tone. It doesn't really have the pink in it, and I was so scared because pinks just aren't my go-tos. It is so lit from within. I love this. Like, I would especially wear this if I was going to a restaurant or something with dim lighting. But this highlight is so beautiful in person, and it's so pretty. I love it so much. I'm gonna apply some on my nose, the tip and the top of my lip. Always. Contour my nose really quick just because I've gotten used to it. You see the highlight, like that glow that this highlight gives? I freaking love it. And it's perfect because the sun is going down right now, like. Hi. We're heading back to the eyes and smoking out that lower lash line. I'm applying that beautiful terracotta orangey shade. I'm gonna take that white shade, ooh, from the palette to highlight. It's gonna be a matte highlight. It's so soft. And I feel like I just have to give this yellow a little bit more justice. It's so beautiful. Whoa, I think we need to blend a little bit. So I thought that I was going to wear some lashes today, but it's just not the vibe right now, and they're brand new too. I was so excited to wear them, or to want to wear them, I guess. I just got them from the drugstore, but I guess I'll leave that for my next tutorial. It wasn't the vibe with this look. What I did was curled my lashes and applied some of my Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara, and I love it. I love everything about it. And to finish off the eyes officially, I'm going to use the Rimmel Scandalized eyeliner in Nude. So to tie all of this together, I'm going to apply some of Maybelline's Vivid Matte Liquid Lip Color in, what's the shade? Coffee Buzz. I died when I saw this. Oh my gosh. So this is the complete look. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate the time that you take out of your day to watch one of my videos. For real, it means a lot to me. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Press that bell button. That way you get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye. Get it together. Silly of me. So obnoxious. People are so effing obnoxious. I can't. Ariel. Ugh. There's something in my mouth. Figure our life out right now. What am I gonna do? So now I'm going to pick